All right, welcome back to another video of Total Tesla. Another different video today. And in my previous videos, I've gone over some of my accessories. Today, I'm going to install my roof shade by Otrifowd. This is the mag shade, they call it. Roof sunshade for a Tesla Model Y. This is the Juniper model. It's $29.99 off Amazon. And in August, I spent near $50. And I thought that was a good deal. My original Model Y Performance, where I bought this, and I was recommended by Jim, Iowa Tesla guy, and I think I spent well over, it was over $60, I think, at one point. So they've come way down in price, $29.99 right now. It's a limited time offer, so I'm going to put the link in the description. What I want to do is kind of show you what the box has. So it does come with, one thing I like about this is, if you've ever put roof shades on, they come with clips. And what I like about this is there's 6 magnets. And these magnets will go into the interior part of your roof. And really simple. And then you'll connect the roof shade. So it'll come with that. It'll come with a pry tool if you need it. And then comes with a nice holder for everything. And I usually keep this in the bottom part of my Tesla in the back. But you'll have 2, one for the front, one for the back. As Jim would say, be careful, you might knock yourself out. But yeah, these will come undone and then we'll install it. So very easy. And as you can see, this is going to be, you're going to block a lot of the sunlight out. And I found that on this is the second one I've had. So this is why I'm buying another one, is because of how easy this is to install. So, and I've always, here we go. Put this back in. And now we're going to go to the car and install it. So we'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So I have my pry tool. I have the magnetic clips, and I have the case with the sunshade for the front and the rear. So let's install this. Now it is labeled inside. Now you got to be careful, because I should just do this outside the door. Hold on. Do safety first. There we go. So the first thing is, you have the shades and everything like that, and we want to put the clips in first. So let's do that. I'm going to keep this off to the side. And the clips are right here. But that was the front piece that I wanted to make sure I had in front of me. These clips are really easy to install. They just come apart. And what you'll do is, the magnet is on the back side here. You're going to want to make sure that is seen. And then you'll just really just put it right inside. And it just slides in. Let me show you how easy that was. Hold on. All right, so here we go again. So you want to put the magnetic side, this side, facing the ability to just put the sunshade right in. So what you'll do is here, not that way. It goes this way. Just like so. Let me double check. And if it's not the right way, then it just comes right out. Oh, you know what? I think, let's see. This is the magnetic side. So you're going to do this. Yeah, I had it in the right way. It only goes in really one way. So I'll just put this right in the middle. All right, let's finish it up through the rest of the car. You'll just need the 6 spots. I may need the actual pry tool in this case. The front one was pretty easy. So, yeah, really easy. I'll just put that there. And I believe I go on the other side. Let's go around and get the other ones in. I'm going to move my seat up. All right. So, I believe let's see here. And I think I do this one right about over here. All right, there we go. And while we're here, let's see if I could put the front one in without knocking myself out. There we go. And it'll tell you right on there's a little tab right up here. It'll tell you that that's going to be the top side, and that's for the front. This side up. So just put that up there. Done. And then the back side. One more time on this. Should do this outside, but have some comedy. Just trying to make sure I don't hit myself in the face like I just did. All right, no concussion. All right, so, and this side goes up. Now you could tell the cutout on the back is for the rear like this. So, I mean, it only goes in one way. There's that. Once you get it set up, you're good to go. Now, with the previous Model Y, I didn't have this back insert. So, I just want to make sure. The question is, maybe I don't have the... Oh, that's right, because that magnet's touching that really good. You know what? I don't think I had the... There we go. There we go. And this is all set. Very easy. And if you want to take it down, especially if you're doing videos like this, you're going to stick up a tripod right up here in the glass. So then you just take it down, and it's that simple. But it's up there. It's not coming down. And we do have some hot weather coming this week in the 90s, so I'm going to keep it up and enjoy the sunshade. So, but thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I got more videos coming. And if you're thinking about getting a Tesla in the next few weeks, tax credit ends this month, September 30th. So make sure you take delivery. Use a referral code. Referral link's going to be in the description. You get either $250 off. You can use it as credit towards anything you want within Tesla, and then or you can get 90 days of full self-driving. Don't forget to click on the link for the Sunshade. I'll leave it in the description. I think $29.99 right now on Amazon. Heck of a deal. So if you're getting a new Model Y or even the previous generation, the Sunshade's excellent. So once again, thanks again for watching Total Tesla, and we'll see you on the next video. So everything looks great. Covers everything that you need. Matches the nice interior. Let's see what I'm talking about here. This is all like a new, especially in the rear of the car here, this is all new, so that fits all good. Really nice, snug. Nothing's coming down with these magnets. All right, tell me what you think. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you're gonna get one of these. And once again, this is not a paid promotion. This is what I've had in the past. And so I'm not making any money off of this. Just something I thought I'd share with you. All right, have a great day. Thanks again for watching Total Tesla. Take care.